Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a fun video series that I run every single Saturday to help update the community on anything that I've been working on and anything that the community has been working on. If you have any updates that you'd like to share next week, please drop them in the comments section below, and let's get started with this week's Locksport update. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. If you happen to be new here, thank you so much for checking out my channel and subscribing. My channel is all about doing really great how-to videos and trying to be a really great supporter of the community. How I'd like to start off this week's Locksport update is by highlighting a channel that I have mentioned before in my Locksport update called Road to 100. In that video, I highlighted Beginner Lockpicking Diaries and his road to reaching 100 subscribers, and today he has now doubled that and he's at 200 subscribers, and I want to say that is a really great accomplishment, and congratulations to you. That is such a cool milestone. If you're not familiar with his channel already, what I'm going to do is roll a really quick clip of it.
G'day guys, Dan from Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while. I've been quite busy, but today I'm going to attempt to pick this little lock here. I think it's a lockwood. Let's try and keep it in frame for you guys. Alright, let's see what we can see. So, losing pins left, right and centre here, it doesn't feel good. Yep, there we go. And we've got an open.
Thank you so much for checking out Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. If you enjoyed the content that you saw and you'd like to see more like it, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. The next thing that I'd like to share this week is something that I am just so excited about that I'm going to do in another video relatively soon. But as a really quick sneak peek, I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to open up this case. But on the inside here is the silver bullet that Huxley Pig made me. It has the really cool Abloy tips and all of the accessories. I am so excited to get started with this. I just need to find some time and some locks to really get started on disc detainer picks. I really cannot wait to learn how to use these picks and really start to open up disc detainer locks. So more is to come on this, and I will do an official unboxing in a video to come. But as far as Huxley Pig is concerned, I just want to say a big congratulations. He has just reached 1,000 subscribers on his channel. That is such a really cool accomplishment, especially for a guy that has accomplished all that he has done in Locksport. He is such an acclaimed picker, a really great locksmith, and it is just tremendous everything he has done in the sport. What I'm going to do right now is just roll a really quick clip of one of his most recent videos, and it's always nice to see him make a new video.
Our next speaker has been a black hat locksmith for some time in the past in his life. Now he changed. Now he helps companies figure out where there are the holes in their systems. He claims there's no lock that can't be picked. He claims there's no site that is completely secure. So now he's going to tell us a bit about the darker side of lockpicking. Please welcome to the stage Huxley Pig.
Thank you. Okay, welcome to Black Hat Locksmithing. So before we start, everyone knows the difference between a black hat and a white hat, don't we? Yeah, oh, just in case you don't. A black hat is someone who uses their skills to steal and be generally naughty. And a white hat is someone who uses them to protect and to help people. And this is the black hat variety. So the obligatory waffle about me first. I'm Matt Smith, otherwise known as Huxley Pig from off of the internet. My first love of security subversion came with social engineering. So very often this involves making things like this, amongst other things, and getting into big sporting events and music festivals and hacking events, that sort of thing. I've never worked for Oxfam, just in case you were wondering. Then it was more about IT security when I was a software developer and SCADA systems engineer. And about 13 years ago, I got into lockpicking, which turned into locksmithing, which turned into tool making. And now I make very specific tools to open very high security locks. The picture we can see here, this is Lock Fall Towers. This is where all the magic happens. It's actually my cellar. It is my cellar, not my parents', just in case, you know. And I like to look for things called physical O-days, what I call physical O-days at least, and that's exactly what it sounds like. So it's an undisclosed vulnerability in a physical locking system that no one knows about yet, so the public or the vendor. That's enough about me. So are locksmiths the good guys? Not always. I'm going to go through some examples of thieves and prison breaks and some secret locks, some secret tools. I'm going to show you some stuff that I've not released before, but this is all my work. So I'm not going to show you practically how to steal things. That'd be irresponsible.
Thank you so much for checking out Huxley Pig. If you enjoyed the video that you just saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another channel that I'd like to mention goes by Baldy LOX. Baldy LOX is a really great channel. He's always doing interesting things, and he is a pretty creative guy. What he has recently shared is his homebrew version of his lever picks and his disc detainer picks. I think it's a really creative thing that he has done. I really enjoyed checking out the video. What I'd like to do for you today is to share a very quick clip of that, but I encourage you to watch the whole video on his channel, and I'm going to roll that for you right now.
Alright guys, just a video to show you something I've been working on for quite a long time. Some of the guys, well, I think most of the guys on UK Lock Sport have seen this, but there's a lot of people at the moment who are knocking tools up for doing disc detainers and this and the other. Lockpicking Lawyer made a fantastic tool. Huxley Pig or Matt Smith made the original Silver Bullet, fantastic tool. Bosnia Bill and Lockpicking Lawyer did a disc detainer pick together. Again, fantastic tool. There's lots of fantastic tools out there. Tighten that up. There we go. So now we have an Abbott's pick. Depending on where your first lever is, you may need to just not tighten that in to all the way. You might need coming out a little bit, so you can pick up on these are just for guidance. They're not going to be 100% perfect and all the rest of it. Here we are, tying up the grub screw, and there we go. There's our Abloy classic pick. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. So it is softer than a soft thing, but it works for me, and that's all it needs to do. Line the outer one up. Sorry, I'm trying to line these up with the holes. Just a reference point when you're picking, really. And now we have our lever pick.
Thank you so much for checking out Baldy LOX. I just want to say that these tools that he made are really cool. They seem very versatile and are just going to be a really cool thing for him to use to work on these locks. I don't think that he has any plans on making them for anyone else, but I just want to say that that is a really cool thing that you made, and I really enjoyed you sharing it with everyone. If anyone would like to check out his channel further, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Another channel that I'd like to mention this week goes by William Mansell. William Mansell does a lot of lockpicking videos, and he's really into lock sport, but one thing he has been doing on the side is called #CatChat. It's something that you may be into, something you may not be into. What I'm going to do is to share a very quick clip of that for you right now.
I like little locks and I cannot lie. If I see a big lock, it makes me wanna cry. When I see a little lock, I just wanna rock. 'Cause I like little rocks. And that's why. I like little locks.
What I'm worried about Mittens, I think he wants to become a rapper.
It's okay if he wants to be a rapper. It's good. Rappers make lots of money, have lots of women, and lots of vodka. It's a good thing, good deal.
Don't know about all that.
Thank you so much for checking out William Mansell. If you enjoyed the cat chat, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The last channel that I'd like to share this week is a channel that was shared to me by Lockmania, and I want to say thank you again to Lockmania for sharing all of these channels with me every week. The channel that I'm going to share with you goes by Pompey Picker, and what I'm going to do is share a very quick clip of that channel for you right now.
Hello everyone, Pompey Picker back again. Just wanted to do a quick review on the Master combination padlock. Solid cast aluminium body, 4 combination wheels, and a hardened shackle, or so it says.
Thank you so much for checking out Pompey Picker. If you enjoyed the clip that you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. I just want to finish off by saying that in the upcoming weeks I'm going to have a lot of unpacking videos, and I just want to say that thank you to everyone that has sent me stuff to unbox and check out. Legal Lockpicker has recently sent me a lot of stuff to start to review, and I'm really looking forward to that, and I want to say thank you very much to Legal Lockpicker. If you haven't checked his channel already, what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of it so you can check him out.
Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here, and today I'm going to be doing an ABIS lock. The last couple of days I've been taking advantage of Amazon's Prime Day sale, so we're going to go up and do these one at a time. Not in the same video, spare you guys the agony, so we're going to start at the bottom and we're going to end up at the top. Okay, there we go. A little movement there. There we go. Well, that's the second time in a week that's happened. You can see my hands are a little red because I'm trying to get the perfect view going.
Thank you so much for checking out Legal Lockpicker. If you saw the video and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link to his channel in the video description below so you can check him out and consider subscribing. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you this week. And if you have any updates you'd like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below as well. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And thank you so much for checking this out.